And so it's no surprise that there's all this dissension between Black men and Black women, because it really was the plan from the beginning. We've just bought into the plan, and it's very easy. People will tell you it's easier to be angry than it is to be kind, because anger is energizing, right? Kindness is a little bit more demure, it's a little bit more diminishing, but anger really is invigorating to some people. So you have this really caustic nature of the way. Watch a woman who has the whole mantra of, I'm strong and I can do it on my own. Watch how she regards even
Mm.
the man that she's with, or the man that she has chosen to procreate with. She will diminish him, not just in front of the public, in front of the community, but also in front of her children. So that level of bitterness is generational, but it also snowballs one generation to another. So it's not getting better, it's getting worse. And as women enter the workforce,
Mm.
now you have these women who are able to be income earners, which makes them
Mhm.
more powerful. And they have this historical bitterness that they partnered it with